Well, good morning, parents, and good morning, kids. Well, how are you guys? Okay, I hope that you are fine. So, you can do your reading tutorial, and this one is the special one because this is for your reading task. Okay, so as usual, we have two parts, Bahasa and English, and I will start from Bahasa Indonesia. Are you ready? Let's go. Nomor satu, Lala main boneka baru dari ibu. Nomor dua, boneka Lala mungil dan bisa tertawa. Nomor tiga, boneka berambut panjang dan pendek. Nomor empat, hari ini hari libur sekolah. Nomor lima, kami merasa senang sekali. Nomor enam, Henny pergi ke pulau. Nomor tujuh, itu ada udang. Delapan, ada udang di laut. Nomor sembilan, udang merah warnanya. Nomor 10, ibu suka beli buah apel. Nomor 11, buah apel bisa didapat di mana-mana. Nomor 12, warna dalam buah apel adalah putih. Nomor 13, di sekolah ada pesta, jadi kami memakai baju cantik, rok baru, dan sepatu baru. Nomor 14, kami sangat senang karena kami bisa berkumpul bersama. Nomor 15, hari ini ulang tahun adik. Kami rayakan di desa, di rumah kakek dan nenek. It's good. Okay, now we'll go to read the English sentences. Number one, my dad buys a new and big house. Number two, the mouse is in the hole. Number three, the cloud is gray and it is going to rain? Number 4, can you count 1 to 10? Number 5, cows are eating grass and drink water. Number 6, my mom uses cooking oil to fry the chicken. Number 7, we boil the water before making noodles. Number 8, flowers need good soil to grow well. Number 9, he went to the toilet after breakfast. Number 10, the children played happily with their new toys. Number 11, the boy with the red hat is my cousin. Number 12, we tried fresh oyster at the seafood restaurant. Number 13, she jumped with joy when she saw the puppy. Number 14, I dropped my coin under the table by mistake. And then number 15, they enjoy playing outside on sunny days. Well, so that's all for the reading tutorial. By the way, because this is the reading for your test, you don't have to send your videos to our group. So you just practice and then good luck for your reading test, okay? Thank you for your attention. Bye-bye.